Hello traders and welcome to the Daily Forex setup for October 9th, 2019. Look at the euro dollar here and you can see we had a little bit of choppy action here and we started to break down a bit here, and euro has actually been pretty choppy every time you take a setup here, but I'm looking for a pullback here into this 109.64 area. I think it's going to be very important, especially with the euro, to go ahead and wait for confirmation that this level is certainly going to go ahead and get respected. But you can see this rising trend line that we did indeed break. So there's a couple areas you can go ahead and watch for, either a retest of the underside of this trend line or this horizontal area of resistance. If you want to go ahead and look at a Fibonacci from the last move down to this most recent move here, you can see it coincides with 38.2% retracement. Now if we pull it back to the absolute high of the euro, which would be right about there, it's almost bang on the 38.2% retracement. So again, still in the same ballpark. Want to go ahead and see if we can retest this low. But again, if you want to be wait a little bit more, if it breaks through this level, watch for the retest underneath this trend line here. Let's go and take a look at the short side here. Again, I want to go ahead and take a look at a short right here. Actually, we'll go ahead and split the difference. Look at an area right through there for a possible short. The stop will be placed actually just above this high here. And the target for this one will be, actually we'll go ahead and target right here, right around this low here. You can see some support and resistance and some support through here as well. So risk reward on this one isn't going to be all that great. Now if you can get a rotation here, you can certainly go ahead and tighten up that stop to right beyond this candle here, and then really increase your risk reward. But if you start to squeeze higher, especially underneath this trend line, you want to go ahead and really the best place to go ahead and put your stop would be right above this candle's high, right through here, or right around 109.87. So if we pull back further, again, you can get a lot more favorable risk to reward here based on where the target is, and that's something I would certainly like to go ahead and see. Now if it starts to rotate down here and starts to rotate down, I'd go ahead and move your stop actually right above that high. So again, either way, wait for confirmation at either 109.67. If this horizontal level here, if it squeezes through that, wait for some type of rotation at this trend line. Either way, you can go ahead and tighten up your stop on either one, depending on where the entry location is. So if the entry location is here, again, put it right above this stop or this high here. If it's against this underside of this trend line, you start to see it rotate down, the stop would be above this area here. But again, your risk reward would be better in both scenarios. So for now, we're going to go ahead and look at this as a potential entry here at 109.67, stop at 109.87, targeting 109.40. It's going to give us a risk reward here of 1.35. Again, this could change based on the rotation down here. Again, you put the stop there. If the rotation is at the trend line, put the stop up here, and your risk reward should look a lot better, at least 1.8 to maybe a 2-to-1 risk reward on this trade. That's our daily Forex setup for October 9th, 2019. Good hunting out there, and happy trading.